Looking for a single tool that can handle delicate electronics work, from keyboard maintenance to component repair? Let's take a close look at the Granvela anti-static IC puller and see if this versatile, green-handled tool deserves a spot in your kit. First off, its dual-purpose design is the main attraction. This tool is engineered to be both a mechanical keyboard switch puller and an integrated circuit extractor. That's a clever bit of consolidation for hobbyists and techs alike. The standout feature, without a doubt, is its built-in protection. The entire shaft is wrapped in a thick, green PVC insulating sleeve. This isn't just for comfort, it provides a crucial anti-static barrier, making it safe to use on sensitive components without fear of a static discharge causing damage. In real-world use, the build quality is immediately apparent. It's made from thickened, cast stainless steel, so it feels solid and durable in hand, not flimsy at all. The specific jaw design is excellent. It opens to a natural width of about 2.2 inches, which is adjustable, allowing you to firmly grasp everything from a tiny keyboard switch to a wider IC chip. I found it grips securely without scratching or damaging the components, which is essential. For the pros, the anti-static protection is a major plus for any serious work. The dual functionality is incredibly convenient, and the durable construction promises longevity. Its 4-inch length offers good leverage and control. For the cons, if you only ever pull keyboard switches and work in a fully grounded environment, a simpler, cheaper puller might suffice. This tool's value is in its added protection and versatility. Compared to a bare metal puller, the Granvela is the safer, more responsible choice for handling static-sensitive parts. A quick practical tip: always store it in a dry place to preserve the integrity of that PVC sleeve. In closing, if your projects bridge the worlds of keyboard customization and electronics repair, the Granvela anti-static IC puller is a smart, high-quality investment. It does two jobs well while prioritizing component safety. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments what tool you've been looking for in your workshop.